In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google reviews to a Squarespace website. We'll be using a reviews widget tool to generate the embed code, and then we'll place that code directly into Squarespace. This is a great way to show social proof on your site and help visitors feel more confident about your business. To get started, open the widget dashboard and click on Catalog. From there, choose Google Reviews. This will take you to the widget setup area where you can begin creating the review display for your site. Next, select a template to start with. The template controls the overall layout and style of how your Google reviews will appear. Pick the one that best matches your website design, then click. Continue with this template to move forward. Once the template opens, enter your business name and address so the tool can connect the correct Google review source. Make sure the information matches your business listing as closely as possible. After that, click Publish. Publishing saves the widget and prepares it for installation. Now that the widget is ready, click Embed Code. This will open the installation options for adding the reviews to your website. Then click Copy Code to copy the full embed snippet. You'll use this code inside Squarespace in just a moment. Next, switch over to your Squarespace site editor and go to the page or section where you want the Google reviews to appear. Click Add Block to insert a new content block. In the search field, type code, then select the code block from the results. After the code block is added, click the pencil icon to edit it. This opens the settings panel where you can paste the embed snippet you copied earlier. Paste the code into the block carefully, making sure the full code is included without changing anything. Once the code is in place, click Preview in Safe Mode. This step helps you check whether the widget loads properly inside Squarespace before you finalize anything. If the preview looks correct, your Google reviews should now be embedded on the page. A quick tip here: if the reviews don't appear immediately, give the widget a moment to load and double check that the correct business details were used during setup. Also, make sure the code was pasted into a code block, not a text block, since that can prevent it from displaying properly. And that's it. You've successfully added Google reviews to your Squarespace website using an embed code. This is a simple but effective way to build trust and make your site feel more credible and professional.